Florida braces for a midweek rainfall event, driven by a strong frontal boundary and remnants of Tropical Storm Sara. The storm system will sweep through the U.S. Gulf Coast, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms. Heaviest rainfall is expected along the Interstate 10 corridor, with cities like New Orleans, Mobile, and Pensacola in the danger zone. While the rest of the Florida peninsula will see a few inches of rain, the exact impact depends on moisture from the Caribbean and Gulf of Mexico. Meteorologists predict the event will be quick, limiting the potential for widespread flooding. Wednesday into early Thursday could see gusty squalls and brief heavy downpours, but severe weather is not anticipated. In Central America, the storm has already caused catastrophic flooding, especially in Honduras and Nicaragua. Honduras president activated emergency services, warning of potential catastrophic impacts. Stay tuned to Fox Weather for the latest updates. Remember, nature's fury is unpredictable. Stay safe, stay informed.